guys, it's about to start. It's gonna get strapped up, and then after that they're gonna start tuning it. We had a little issue with injectors with the 1660 injectors. The O-rings that were too big, and the injectors that were too big, so we ended up putting some 750 the Montro had over here at the shop. So you know, we had to put this so we are able to get it tuned. So but yeah, it's getting ready to strap, and then after that we're just gonna see what happens. 173. 173, pero el primero fue porque el over. 100. So on that pass it 173 horsepower. Before it did 183, but it went over boost because I forgot to remove a T that I had, but it's not a T, it's something to put it together. So I almost blew it up. Horsepower. So 184 horsepower at 12 psi. We AC, Bobby, we AC. Los espares están gapeados a 20. ¿Más poco? No, hombre. No, 215. So there she goes. She's gonna be driven back home, but first we gotta go and get something to eat because we are hungry. So the end result, it was 215 at 12 psi. We gotta double check that. We don't know what is the duty cycle on it, but either way it doesn't matter, because this stock motor is pretty much maxed out. So yeah. And look at the rainbow. You see, there's always a rainbow at the end of the what is it, at the end of the tunnel or some shit like that, or what is it? Bro, I don't fucking know.
Is it? I don't think
some shit like that, I don't know. So yeah. So we're gonna go for a test drive on the first test drive after the dyno. After the dyno run, see how she runs. So far we drove it from Kissimmee down to where we at, Lakeland. No issues. So just gonna see how she runs, because we also had to top it off on the 85 because it was a little bit low. So we'll see. nice and smooth. I like it. I like how everything feels solid, like the motor mounts and everything on it. The Civic is still missing some suspension, but the owner's gonna get some blocks. Track blocks. It got the burp tune. 11.5 pounds. Not bad. It does 11 pounds of boost. See down the street, see how we can make a pull, go through gears. I was wondering how much boost it was running. So it's like 11 pounds, 11.5 pounds. So not bad. 215 horsepower and 11.5 pounds of boost. It's pretty decent. She drives like perfect. Goes through you like nothing, no issue. It's nice. Let's do a third gear pull. Gear pull is only doing 2 psi for some reason. It's not actually carrying the boost, it's just going. It's not making no boost. Not making no boost. Making no boost. For some reason it's only making 2 psi. You can see. It's at 0. I'm stepping on it, no boost. Gonna have to see if it has any boost leaks or something. Yesterday was running fine, so I'm gonna have to check that. So we find out the source of not making boost. The eBay blow off valve fall off the sequential HKS. So I'm gonna put this back on and see and test drive it again and see what's up. So we installed the blow off valve back again. And we're gonna go for another test drive, and hopefully now it makes some boost. She does 8 psi on two-step. All right, let's go. Hit 100 miles per hour. Which it was hard to reach it with a factory motor. So it's not bad. I mean 12 psi of boost. And remember, the car has full exhaust, has all the AC components. So the prep tune. We're not doing it today.
Yeah, follow me.
Dale, brother. And there she goes. Bye. It was nice meeting you. I think came out nice. So there you go, guys. There you have it. We end up with 215 horsepower with 11.5 pounds. I know I said 10 or 12 or this and that, but yeah, it was 11.5 pounds of boost, 215 horsepower, which is kind of impressive for that 1.5 D15b. So not bad at all. So that car, owner took it. He had it for 3 or 4 weeks, maybe a month. Yeah, kind of like a month. And he gave me a call, and that call was, "Yo, I blew up the motor." I'm like, "What do you mean you blew up the motor?" "Yeah, so and so I was racing with the 370Z." I'm like, "Well, I hope you beat this 370." "Oh yeah, man, for sure I beat it. Yeah." I'm like, "All right, cool." So yeah, it had 2 holes, one in the front, one in the back. So rod number 3 gave out. Now we are, I mean, I say we, but yeah, he bought parts to build a motor. So we're gonna be building a 500 horsepower motor for that car. So stay tuned for that. That's not gonna be anytime soon, just because he's getting the engine bay painted and all that stuff on that car. So as soon as he's ready to start putting that motor back together, he's gonna give me a call. I'm not 100% sure. He's gonna take that block to CSS and get it at CSS. So it's gonna be a rowdy one. So, and we are going to see if we can still keep the AC and be able to make 500. So thanks guys for watching. Like always, like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for more. Peace out, guys.